today's video, I'm going to review KiddoCraft AI, an AI tool that claims it can create logos, posters, printables, coloring books, invitations, and so much more for the kids' needs, even if you have zero design skills. So, in this video, I will walk you through what KiddoCraft AI actually is, how it works. I will give you a quick demo, share the pricing, the OTOs, and funnel details, plus the pros and cons, so you know if it's really worth it. Let's get started. But before we dive into the main product and see exactly what it can do, I want to quickly talk about the exclusive bonuses you will get if you grab it through my link. I have handpicked some amazing tools, software, and training that will save you time, help you grow faster, and get the most out of your purchase. If you want to check out all the bonuses in detail, I have created a special bonus page for you. You can find the link in the video description below. Make sure to check it out so you know exactly what you are getting along with KiddoCraft AI. So now let's talk about what exactly is KiddoCraft AI. Think of it like your personal design buddy, but specially made for kids focused stuff. It's an AI tool that helps you create things like logos, posters, flashcards, coloring books, invitations, and printables, all in just a few clicks. The best part is you don't need any design skills. You just type what you want in simple words, and the AI gives you ready made designs. Plus, you can generate unlimited variations until you find the one you like. So, in short, it saves time, it saves money, and it even opens up a way to make money if you want to sell those designs online. Okay, now let me quickly show you how KiddoCraft AI actually works. So once you log in, you will land on the dashboard, and from here you can click on the create design page. On this page, you will see lots of different categories you can work with. Things like branding and identity, packaging and labels, promotional materials, interior and signage, events and celebrations, educational activities, merchandise, digital printables. For this demo, let's start with the branding and identity section. Imagine you have a client who owns a toy store and they need a fun logo. All I have to do is click on the toy store logo option. Now here the cool part, I don't need to write any complicated prompts. I can just type in a simple description of what I want, like the style, colors or theme. Once I hit generate design, the AI will create a few different logo options for me within seconds. If I don't like the first set, no worries. I can just hit the regenerate button and KiddoCraft AI will instantly give me brand new options. When I find something I like, I can resize the canvas, save it, or export it in different formats like PNG or PDF. Look at this. And the best part is, all my saved designs are stored in the My Design section. So I can come back later, make changes, or download variations. Now let's try another example and create something fun. Same process. I type in a quick description, click generate, and within seconds the AI gives me, and just look at the quality and the style. It looks very professional, right? If I'm happy, I can even export it. But KiddoCraft AI isn't just for physical stuff like postcards or flashcards. You can also create digital products. For example, let's say you want to make an animal coloring book. All you do is type in your idea, add as much detail as you want, click generate, and boom, the design comes to life. If you like the result, you can export it either as a PNG image or even as a ready to go PDF. And it's not just coloring books, you can make logos, labels, posters, printables, you name it. Alright, let's quickly go over the pricing because I know a lot of you want to see how much this actually costs. So KiddoCraft AI has a few different options. The lowest entry is if you already have your own Gemini API key. That's about $13.95. And with that, you basically get unlimited credits since you are bringing your own key. This is more for power users who want full control. Then comes the basic plan, which is $17. Here you get 300 credits to play around with, which is perfect if you're just starting out, maybe testing the tool, or just want to see how kid-friendly designs come out. And here's the nice part. You can actually use this coupon code to get $3 off on this plan. So instead of $17, you would only pay $14. That's a pretty good deal if you just want to try it. Next is the starter plan, $47. This one gives you 900 credits and it's ideal for creators who are actively scaling their projects. Maybe Etsy sellers, KDP publishers, or anyone doing this more seriously. And then the best seller plan, which is $97. That one gives you 2,500 credits, so it's clearly made for agencies or entrepreneurs who want to pump out a lot of designs and need that bigger limit. So yeah, whether you just want to test it out or you are ready to go all in one and create hundreds of designs, there is a plan for everyone. For me, it's strong because how easy it is to use, the variety of categories, and the fact that you get commercial rights to actually sell your designs. If I had to give it a rating, I would say it's a solid 8.549 out of 10 for anyone in this space. If you want to try KiddoCraft yourself, don't forget you can use the coupon code to get a discount on the basic plan. I have also left the link in the description so you can check it out. And of course, if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI reviews.